Assalamu alaikum and welcome. In this video, we'll talk about Lean Dispatcher application and how to use it. So first, this is the login information will be provided by the operations. The account code will be provided to you. Username also will be provided to you. You just enter it here and the password, and then we'll click login. This is what you'll first see. This is the welcome screen. You will see how many trips in process you have, which is in blue. Also, how many trips you have finished, which is in green, and how many trips that was cancelled, which is in red. To refresh this page, we'll click on these arrows on the top right corner, and this bell icon is where you get your notifications, and right now it's empty. Also, to go to your trip in process, it's the one with a blue square with a number 1 in it. You'll click on it, and then you will see the trip in process you have right now. You will click on it and it will take you to it. Now in this screen, you can see where's the pickup location. It's in Riyadh. Also, if you click on the yellow bar here, it says call for number. This will contact you to the coordinator in the pickup location. Also, if you click on waybill, that's on the middle left, it will show you the waybill in PDF. We'll click on it, and right there you can see the waybill. We'll go back. Now, if we want to print the invoice, we'll click on print invoice on the middle right. But if you see a big red preview on the invoice, that means this invoice has not been approved by the company yet. Now, before we start the trip, we'll go to upload attachment. That's also in the middle left, and we can see these are the options we can do. So if we want to upload custom clearance, we'll click on it and it will give you options. So you either can capture an image by clicking on capture image, or if you want to upload something else, you can click on other and type in the attachment. For example, diesel receipt. We'll click OK. And if you're taking a photo from your mobile camera, we'll click on gallery and we will choose the receipt. We'll click OK. Also, suspend order is a way to communicate with the operations that you want to suspend this trip. If you click on it, you can see all the options that are available for you for suspending the order. So for example, we can say cargo not available, or click on other and fill in why this order is suspended. So if we click on driver benefits, we will see how much we will get as a bonus from this trip. And also, if you click on the clock icon here, you will see exactly every detail you have entered in the app. When did you receive the trip? When did you upload the custom clearance or the diesel receipt? And also, when did you start the trip? And if you click on the contact book icon, you will see where is the pickup location and where is the drop-off location. And if you click on the icon on the right, you can click on navigate and it will take you to Google Map. Since we have chosen the pickup location navigation, it will take us there, or call the phone number. And if we click on the information icon, it will take us back to the trip page. Now, this tab is for canceling the trip. So it will ask you, are you sure you want to cancel the trip? And you can leave the note why you want to cancel this trip. For example, breakdown, and you click OK, and this trip will be canceled. Trip status is another way to communicate with the operations. So you can tell them exactly what's happening, either at the loading location or waiting for offloading or breakdown, or maybe you want to take a food break. So you click on it, and as you can see here, it says food break. And another way to communicate with operations is by clicking on open chat, and this way you can chat with operations. So you can type hi dispatcher, and you click on the left here and you will send it. Also, you can click on the camera icon here on the left and you can send an image or a video. So if you click on capture image, so you can take a photo. Another way to communicate is by sending a voice note by clicking on the microphone icon on the right, and it will record a voice note to operations. Hello dispatcher. Also, you can choose photos from your gallery by clicking on the picture icon here, and you can choose a photo to send. Also, you can share your live location by clicking on the arrow icon on the right corner, and it will share your exact location to operations. Another way to communicate with the operations, you can see on the top right corner there is a phone icon and a video camera icon. So if you click on the phone, you will call operations using audio call, and this is who you can call, but the one that's available is admin, because you can see the green dot on its left. And if you click on the video camera icon, you'll make a video call. So now let's start the trip. We'll click on the back arrow on the top left corner, and as you can see here, we have the green icon in the middle, says start the trip. So once we click on this, we have started the trip. It will ask us to navigate. If we click OK, it will take us to Google Map, and it will find us the best route to the pickup location. We'll go back to the application. So now we have arrived at the pickup location and picked up the cargo. We'll click on picked up, and it will give us a proof of pickup. There are three options, so you can capture image, choose photos from the gallery, or take a signature. So if you click on capture image, it will open the camera and you can take a photo. And let's say now we want to take a signature also, so you can click on proof of pickup, as you can see here on the middle left, and this will show up again. And we want to take a signature, we click on sign. So this is an electronic signature page. You can use your finger for a signature, and if you want to clear it, click on clear. You can start again, or you can click undo and it will delete the last part, and then you click save, and now we have taken a picture and a signature. Now you have picked up the cargo and you want to start the delivery, so click on start the delivery process, and it will ask you to navigate. If you click OK, it will take you to Google Map and show you the best route to take to your drop-off location. So we'll go back to the application, and we can see that the address on the top has changed to drop off. Also, if you call the phone number, now you will call the drop-off coordinator. Now let's say you have arrived to the drop-off location, but there is a long line waiting to get to the gate, so you can click on trip status and select waiting for offloading. This way you can tell your operations that you have arrived at that time exactly, but you are waiting outside for that line. Another example is you can open chat and tell them in chat long line to the gate and send. Now you have delivered the cargo, you click on delivered, and this window will show up. In this window you can leave any note. For example, we can type all items delivered with no problems. Also, you can record by clicking on the microphone icon in the middle and record a voice note. We'll click on save, and it will show you a proof of delivery. You can capture an image or go to gallery and choose more than one photo. Click OK. Also, you need a signature. You can click on proof of delivery again in the middle right. Click on sign, and you can take signature. Click save, and that's it. Now, if we go to the clock icon in the middle, we can see trip started at what time. Also, when did we take a break? When did we pick up the cargo? Also, what time we said we are waiting for offloading, and when did we deliver the cargo. If we go back, now we can see in the main page that this trip has moved from trip in process to finished trips, and we can see it here. Now, if we want to search for another trip in process from yesterday, for example, we'll click on this magnifying glass icon on the left, and we can see here all of our trips that we have finished. And as you can see here, there is one trip still in process, and on 12th of November we have finished 3 trips. And if we want to search for a specific trip, we can search by date by clicking on date on the top. And if we want to say only today, we'll click today, or tomorrow, or for example yesterday. And also we can select a custom date. So if we click on the person icon in the middle, we can see all of our information here. This is our name, phone number, email, ID. Also, we can call the admin. So let's say we don't have a trip in process and we want to call the operations. We'll click on call admin, and we will see the admin online, and we can call them. Also, if we click on the video camera icon, we can make a video call. Now, if we go to settings, which is this icon here, we can change the settings of the application. So for language settings, we can choose one of these languages, and for notification, we want to turn on notification or off. And for sync settings, and also if we want to log out, we'll click on log out. Now the last icon on the right, which is the $sign, this is where we will see that all of our benefits or bonuses from our previous trips. So as you can see here, the 138 order, we got 100 real bonus. So if it says closed, that means it has been transferred to us. But if it says deserved, that means we are deserving of this bonus, but yet to be transferred to us. And thank you for watching.